That's it. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Okay, you guys, this is an emergency grocery haul from HEB. As you know, if you're in Texas or wherever around, I think around the world, everybody's getting cold temperatures, but here in Texas, we're not used to that. Okay, so everybody's panicking. Everybody's going to the store, buying up everything because the city will be shut down for a couple of days. So y'all know me. I shop curbside delivery and all this stuff. So I tried to do a curb delivery, and baby, they was all filled up. Even the curb pickup, the delivery. But this morning I got up, baby. Look at God. Look at God. Look at God. Baby, I got up this morning at 5 a.m. I checked it. I was like, let me just check because I don't want to go inside these stores because I have to. I have to. And I checked it, and baby, boom. Yes, they had a delivery, even though I had to pay the fee. But baby, we got stuff we need with certain some things. So that's what this grocery haul is all about. Winter storm grocery haul. Everything is sold out. We have to get what we get. So let me go over it. So yeah, we got some bread. It's gonna be quick. Bread, Wonder Bread. These crackers feel empty. We have some crackers. I've never tried these crackers before, but my shopper texted me and said they didn't have the other Nabisco saltine crackers. This was the only ones they had, so I was like, get them. Go ahead and get them. Got me a little snack. And before, let me slow up because I always do this. Pay attention to what I'm getting. And I might put the prices up here. And at the end of the video, comment below how much you think I spent. I might not even put the prices on there. Comment how much you think this is. If I don't put the prices, then guess each item. Comment how much you think this costs. The apple, what's these? Apple pies, the saltine crackers, the Wonder Bread. And then at the end, give me a total of how much you think I spent. Whoever is the first person that comment below the price that comes the closest to the total price, you will be gifted a very, 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 very small prize. Small prize, small gift. Okay, so let's carry on. Let's carry on, y'all. Okay, I got some cheddar cheese. This is for, oh yeah, this is for a dish. Of course, everything I buy is for a dish. We got some foil because we was out of foil. Fresh pinto beans. Yes, I made them last beans with them turkey tails. And they were so good, the white beans, but they was from a can. This time we got the fresh. Fresh, fresh, fresh. And these was $1.30. I remember when beans was like 50 cents, 30 cents. A pack of beans like this, 30 cents. Now 1.30. Parchment paper, because I'm making something, a little something for the videos. What else we got? We got tomatoes. Got to keep tomatoes. We only have one tomato left, so I got some more. We got a half a dozen, even though I asked for 2 dozen. Got me a dozen, not a half a dozen, but a dozen. But hey, it'll work. It'll work. We got some bananas. Haven't had bananas in a while. And they sent them perfectly. Because last time, maybe that's why. Last time I ordered some bananas, they was really ripe already. These are perfect. Perfect, perfect. Got some chips. Chip, chip. And we got some. Now, I don't know when I'm going to post this video, But this is for the Saturday Live Cooking Challenge. This. Got two. Like, why it been look like it's been tampered with? Two garlic breads. Okay. Okay, we got these big old, thick sirloin cut pork chops. James liked the sirloin cut pork chops, but these are some thick ones. Thick, thickums. Coffee, because baby, we do not need to run out of coffee, right? We got some, but I just bought some just in case. I don't know how long the city gonna be shut down. Oh, what's in here? Okay, we got some whole leaf spinach, because baby, we need some vegetables. We need some vegetables. Even though I ordered two, but she only got one, bless her heart. I ordered two of these. She only got one. I got some fried okra. I saw this, I was like, yum, yum. Did I tell y'all we got corn? Corn. Brussels sprouts, yes. And rice. We got some rice, y'all. A big bag. Cucumber to make my sardine, charlerie, coulery. What is it called, Jamal? Charcuterie tray. Oh, yes. 3 sardines. Chipotle season for the cook-off, well, the cooking challenge for Sunday. I mean, not Sunday, cooking challenge for Saturday. If I haven't posted this video, y'all already know it didn't happen. And here goes my other bag of spinach. Okay. We got some apple soda to make my apple wonder. Okay, and then we got 2 things of water. Oh, 2 things of water. Baby, we don't know how long we're gonna be snowed in. 1 and 2. Okay, y'all, that's it. That's it. A very quick grocery haul, y'all. So that's it, y'all. We are preparing for a very winter storm. They said by Sunday, Monday, the wind will take the temperature down to below 5 degrees here in Texas. Can y'all believe that? So I see why people panicking. I don't think we ever had nothing like that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask James or look up the history. Below 5 degrees. So yes, so we bought some little stuff that could carry us on, stuff that we was kind of missing, and like the water, we need more water, the coffee, what else? Just a little food. And y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Guests comment and let me know how much you think I spent. Whoever comes the closest will be gifted a cash app. But yes, y'all. So that's it.